Hello and welcome to the vodcast about the stimulus response model. The stimulus response model is used for homeostasis, and the definition of homeostasis is the maintenance of the internal environment despite changes in the external environment. So if we think about the human body, for any parameter like water concentration in the blood or body temperature, there is a predefined level that the body likes that parameter to be at, and we call this the set point. However, it's very rarely at that set point. Sometimes the level of that parameter will be lower than the set point, and this becomes a stimulus for the stimulus response model and allows for the body to generate a response to bring the level of that parameter back towards the set point. But it's not an exact science, and quite often that response overshoots to create another stimulus that must be responded to using the stimulus response model to bring the body's parameter back towards the set point. And this is what we call homeostasis. The stimulus response model consists of a number of different components. First of all is the stimulus, which is the change in the external environment. For it to be a stimulus, it needs to be able to be detected and it needs to be able to be responded to. The stimulus is detected by the receptor. The receptor is normally a modified dendrite or a protein on the cell surface of a particular cell. The receptor then sends a neural message by way of an action potential to the modulator. The modulator is the place in the body that will decide upon the appropriate response to the stimulus. The modulator will then send out a message which is either hormonal or neural to the effector. The effector is the part of the body that brings about the response. So the effector for sweat would be the sweat gland. Then we've got the response, which is the desired action. If the response opposes the original stimulus, we call this negative feedback. And this is the mechanism by which homeostasis is maintained inside the body. Thank you for listening. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Goodbye.